Rob Parker here from Peach Software. Today I just want to take you through sending a file off with your invoices or orders so that your supplier or customer can import that information into their software. Now this is particularly handy when you don't have time to actually create an order in Peach Software, but you want to send an order off to your supplier through the phone or through Peach Online, for example. So when the goods come in, you need to get that list of goods into your goods in screen. So let's have a look at that. We'll just go to our task menu, go to the setup tab and go to CSV layouts. So now if you want to send a file off to your suppliers, you can pick the supplier tab. If you want to send a file off to your customers with the invoice, you go to the customer tab. Okay, so while you're in the customer tab, if you wish, you can add a file layout that you want to send to your customer. You just choose the customer, okay, and then it'll ask you which fields you want to include in that file. So now that file will be unique to that particular customer. However, let's cancel that. I can set up also a default one. So if you've got a lot of customers using the same software, such as Peach Software, you can add a default template, and that's going to send that template out to all the customers other than the ones you've set up a unique template for. So we're in the customer layout here. I want part number, I want how many are supplied, and I want the price that I supplied them at. And now that's going to be the file that I send to all my customers as a default. Okay to that. There it is down there. That's the default. If I ever want to change it, I can either edit it or I can delete it. And I'll just say okay to that. So from now on, that's the file that's going to go out. So now, as a supplier, I now create an invoice and I'll just retrieve an invoice I've done previously. Okay, so now when the file goes out, it's when you actually email it. So when you update the invoice to the customer, if you select email invoice, I won't print it, update that, and in the email invoice screen, you'll see included CSV. So like I said, if you've made a unique template for this customer, that's the CSV that will go out. Otherwise, it will send the default one that I showed you how to make. So send that, and that'll email it to the customer for you. So now I did one previously. Wait for that to go. And now, this time I'm the customer. So I go into my goods in screen. I'll load up my supplier. Put in the supplier's invoice. And now I'm on the parts grid. I can go options, F6, import CSV, and now when I received the email from my supplier, I saved it on the desktop. I saved the CSV file on the desktop, so I'll just go searching for that. Here it is here, and it shows you what it's going to import into the goods in screen, and there you have it. So now you just make changes according to the invoice that you've received and the goods that you've counted, and process the transaction. That's going to save you a heck of a lot of time. If you have any questions about that, or if you need assistance, please call Peach Support. Hope that helps, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.